Welcome to the session of Elements of Electrical Engineering. In this video, I'm going to discuss the smart passing package and the important questions which you can expect in the for forthcoming university examination. It is typical for triple and related streams. So, moving on to the first module, the title is DC Circuit and Electromagnetism. Allotted hour is 8 hours in your syllabus. So, the key concept you need to cover, number one, you have to focus on what is Ohm's law and what are the limitations of Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's voltage law and current law, and the series and parallel circuit with the basic concept, then power and energy. In the case of magnetism, you need to talk about like a Faraday's law, Lenz's rule, the basic formulas, Fleming's right hand and left hand thumb rule, then self and mutual inductance, energy in the magnetic field. Okay, so what you are supposed to do is you must prepare the simple numerical on KVL, KCL, and power, and also study the theory based on Faraday's law and Fleming's like right hand and left hand thumb rule. So these are the important thing you need to take care. So basic numerical will be asked in the examination. Moving on to module like one important part. Let me discuss the important questions based on module one. So here, prepare these concepts thoroughly. So there are high chances of appearing the questions based on like a pattern. We analyze the pattern, how many type of questions, how many varieties of questions will be asked in the future. In the previously, how many questions asked. Based upon that, we have prepared number one KVL and KCL with application in the circuit. Solve at least one numerical. Any numerical you have to expect it. Okay, Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction and its application. Fleming's right and left hand thumb rule with the example. So these are the important concepts you should remember. Don't leave this topic. I request you, please don't leave. Kindly remember. You can make a small pocket notes and prepare so that it never be forgotten. So another module like that is module two, single phase AC circuit. The total allotted hour is 8 hours. So here you have to talk about like a sine, how to generate the sine wave. E is equal to Em sin omega t. Then frequency, average, RMS value, phases, RLC combination, those things you have to remember. Then real power, reactive power, apparent power, and a power factor. Basic definition and concept you should remember. It's already everything is available in my channel. You can refer the particular video if you want to have elaborated discussion. So you must prepare the numericals on RLC combination. 100% any combination may ask RL or RC or RLC. Derivation for RMS average, RMS value and average value. Okay, so that a final expression VRMS equal to VM by root 2. So V average is equal to 2 Vm by pi. Those expressions you should remember. And along with that, you have to study the phasor diagram, correct? So moving on to like important questions from the module 2. Derive R expression for RMS value and average value. Solve RLC series circuit and draw the phasor diagram. Define the difference between the real power, reactive power, apparent power. Also, you may get a question on power factor. Correct. Coming to module number three, three-phase circuit. Total allotted hour is 8 hours. So you have to study about the star and delta connection, line and phase quantities, power calculation for 2 wattmeter method. Okay. Whenever you are calculating, you should have the basic circuit diagram. Okay. Then the final expression and also how to calculate the power factor. That means cos phi is equal to root 3 into W2 minus W1 divided by W1 plus W2. Phi is equal to, you have to take the tan inverse. No. Okay. So relationship between line and phase quantity in star and delta connection is one of the must question. The numerical examples on 2 wattmeter method. As I told you, how to calculate the power factor, okay, of a load by using the 2 wattmeter method. So important questions are explain the star and delta connection with the phase and line voltage relation. Numerical examples on power like power calculation using power measurement by using 2 wattmeter method. Define the phase sequence and its importance. Then module 4 is mainly dealing with the measuring instruments and domestic wiring. What you do, you just wanted to focus on the following topics. That is, number one, I can tell you. So you have to talk about like Wheatstone's bridge. How do you calculate the unknown resistance using Wheatstone's bridge? Even Kelvin's double bridge. Okay, for the very small value of resistance you can measure. Then inductance and capacitance measuring by using Maxwell's and the Shearing's bridge. And even you need to talk about the earth resistance measurement by using Megger and the measurement of high current and high voltage by using CT and PT. Wiring you have to study, casing and caping, two-way and three-way control of lamp you have to study with a suitable diagram and truth table. Theory on bridge circuit, any question may ask in the examination. It is damn sure. The wiring diagrams and it's working. That's also mandatory. Module 5 is mainly dealing with the billing and the safety measures. Here, what you can expect is units. Well, define 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. What is tariff? What is two-part tariff? what is fixed cost, what is running charge, and a simple calculation. Safety devices such as fuse, MCB, residual current circuit breaker, earth leakage circuit breaker, those concepts also you have to remember. Then personal safety devices such as shock, earthing types, and what are the precautions you need to take. Numericals on electricity bill, then short notes on MCB, ELCB, and earthing. Those things also you have to focus more. Okay, so this is regarding building and safety measures, which is comes under module 5. Let me recall what are the important questions. Calculate the electricity bill for the household applications. Power rating will be given. A cost per unit also will be given. How to calculate it? Even you have to consider the number also. Compare the fuse and the MCB. That is also another important questions. Explain the earthing and safety precautions. That is also unavoidable. Okay. Now, last minute revision package. Revise all the formulas from AC and DC circuit and focus on the definitions and diagrams in module 4 and module 5. That is also another important fact. Prepare the at least one numerical per module that you should do because it's an electrical subject. Numerical place matters. Understanding the basic difference between fuse versus MCB, star versus delta, that also will help you. You can prepare a small pocket note so that you can revise whenever you're traveling as well. Don't skip the electricity bill calculation because it is one of the simplest and top repeated questions. So frequently asked questions from the previous VTU question papers, difference between a static and dynamically induced EMF. It is based on the Faraday's law. Power triangle, significance of power factor. What are the advantages of three-phase power over single phase? That's also very important. Earthing, why it is necessary? What are the different type of earthing with a suitable diagram? 2 wattmeter method with a sign conversion and result interpretation. We can expect the problems as well as the small derivations. Okay, so these are the important questions we analyzed from a different previous year question papers. Scoring strategy, how you can apply. Module 1, it is a medium toughness. Theory and a simple numerical example you can expect. Module 2 is high scoring package if you prepare theory, numerical, and diagrams. Coming to module 3, it is medium level toughness index, then numerical concept and you have to prepare. Module 4 is mainly dealing with the straight theory, very easy to score. Even module 4 is very simple because direct theory and a small numerical, which is belong to high school standard, higher secondary standard. Keywords you have to study for the quick revision like Ohm's law, KVL, KCL, Faraday's law, Fleming's rule, inductance, sinusoidal waveform, phasor diagram, power factor, real power, reactive power, apparent power, star and delta connection, wattmeter, 2 wattmeter method, wiring, electricity bill, two-way control of lamp, three-way control of lamp, MCB, RCB, earthing, electrical safety. These terms you can note down in a small paper. Anytime you have to in a position, you have to revise it so that things never be forgotten. If you please this video, I request you to give a like button. Also, kindly share this video with the stakeholders, those who are preparing. Especially my targeted audience are AAA and related streams, so that they will also get clear all the subjects. Even kindly give the comments for the improvement. So if you need the similar kind of video, I request you to subscribe our channel so that as soon as I'm going to upload, you will be getting notified. Thanks for listening. I wish you all the very best for your examination and future success.